this is how you're gonna disassemble the Kimber 1911. So 2 things you're gonna need to know. It's this little dot here and this tiny notch right there. So what you're gonna want to do is line this up with this right there, and you're gonna push on that dot right there. So you're just gonna push, and it should start popping out like that. And you just, once you got it out enough, you just pull it out like that. Should be good. And it's just as simple as 1, 2, 3, you and me together forever. There you go. Bam. And take this spring out right here. Push. And you finagle it. You finagle it. There you go. Finagled. And to get the barrel out, see this? You want to push that forward. Oh, you want to take this bit out. Push that forward. Then the barrel will slide right out. Now to put it back together, take the barrel, that push down right through here, push back up, take this piece from the back in, then take the spring. This needs to be against the barrel right here, so you just finagle it. You finagle it. There you go, finagled. Then, same as you put it off, take it, put it on. You want this piece in there. And you want to line it up with that little groove again. So, get that groove lined up with that hole right there, that square. And you just kind of, sorry about the lighting, and just kind of boop. Make sure it's lined up before you boop it. And just push it on through. Just push it on. There you go. And bam, apart and put back together.